The final video to fix SCRCPY not working after a Samsung update. And if you've tried connecting your phone and it just won't show up, you're not alone. Many Samsung users face this problem because updates sometimes change the USB settings or break the connection drivers, which stops SCRCPY from recognizing your device. You might have seen other tutorials on YouTube or social media, but they are long, confusing, and full of steps that hardly work. On Rexist, I have a simple trick that fixes this in seconds without installing extra software or digging through settings. All you need is one small adjustment to your phone and a quick command on your PC, and SCRCPY will start working like before. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do, comment below and I'll make it for you.